the fact remains that the Igorots is not Filipino and we are not related. Ang sabi po ni Carlos P. Romulo, na lolo ng ating kasama at kaibigan na Congressman Roman Romulo, na mga Igorot ay hindi Pilipino, and for that matter, pati na rin yung ibang katutubo na hindi nasakop ng Kastila, they are the only ones who were able to preserve our culture, tradition, and religion. Dahil sa kanilang paglaban sa kolonisasyon ng Espanya, that made them preserve their identity. This original culture, tradition, and religion could have been the cultural tradition and religion of this entire nation had it not been disrupted by the colonizing Spaniards. Sa loob po ng 333 taon ng kanilang pananakop, binura nila ang ating kasaysayan, ang ating nakaraan, ang ating pagkatao, ang ating lahi. And because of that long colonization, we are now living with their culture, tradition, and religion. Paano ba tayo sinakop ng mga Kastila sa